Good morning to attendants of HDB. We are invited you to this talk to explain the type of maintenance. So I'm the head of our maintenance team, and these are our members, Wenjing, Juliana and Fang Ting.
So first off, we have a chart that is under the BS 3811 to 1984, and we're actually adopting this maintenance plan to do our planned maintenance and unplanned maintenance. So first off, we have the plan that is a scheduling system, and the other one that is the unplanned contingency system. So under the plan schedule, they actually have many different type of practices, that is preventative and corrective. So on the later slides, we'll explain further on the preventive and the corrective. So now we'll explain to you about the planned and unplanned maintenance. So first off, we have planned and unplanned. So I'll actually talk to you about why is these two plans are actually different. So the first one is hence, as our building is a HDB and it's old, so we prefer to use more of planned system of scheduling rather than unplanned, because there's like 60% of maintenance that is adopted in the planned scheduling system, as we have to plan our and prevent any errors from happening in the building, and 40% is adopted under the unplanned contingency system. This is because in our HDB, as it's old, there's more failures that can happen, so prevents higher possibilities of failure as we adopt the more towards the planned scheduling system. That's why it's a range of 60% to 40%. So let's move on to the next category.
So here are some advantages of planned maintenance. Having a planned maintenance allows for less interference with the normal use of the building, as maintenance can be carried out at the most suitable times. Failures can be anticipated and defects are likely to be detected sooner than with an ad hoc system. Generally, the longer a defect is left before rectification, the greater the inconvenience, and often the greater the cost of remedying the defect. This causes additional damage. Having a planned maintenance allows for positive control over the work to be undertaken at any one time, and this avoids overloading or underutilization of the labor force. There will also be fewer crisis jobs and avoidable accidents, and better records will result in improved financial forecasting and in turn a more realistic budget. Under planned maintenance, there is preventative and corrective. Preventative maintenance are usually done before a failure occurs. Two types of preventative maintenance are routine and infrequent. Examples of routine maintenance are the washing of floors, lift inspection, and refuse rubbish chute. Infrequent maintenance examples are painting and the replacement of floors. Corrective maintenance are usually done after a failure occurs, and such failures cannot be anticipated and are not observed during scheduled inspections. There are two types of corrective maintenance, and they are recurring and non-recurring. For routine maintenance, it can be carried out daily, weekly, monthly, fortnightly, 6-monthly, quarterly, so on and so forth. Examples of such maintenance that can happen are the repair or refill works at playgrounds, fitness areas, and guest room renewal. Simple maintenance includes sweeping, washing of floors, and the removal of refuse chute.
So here are some examples of the routine maintenance. Our maintenance team actually put up notice to notify the tenants about our maintenance work. And we build a barrier at the maintenance area so that the tenants will not go nearby it and get any injuries. For infrequent maintenance, it actually divided into two parts, which are cyclic and non-cyclic. For cyclic, the maintenance works is done in cycle of every 5 years. The examples of maintenance done are repainting works, such as repainting the wall of the HDB, and upgrading of lift. The purpose is to keep up to date and making sure the owners feel safe living in the HDB. For non-cyclic, the maintenance work is done in 10 years or more than 10 years. The examples of maintenance are replacement of tiles, roof water membrane replacement, and renovating of units. The purpose is to make the living environment comfortable, cleaning, and neat, and also free from any danger or obstruction.
So now I'll be talking about corrective maintenance. Under corrective maintenance, there are recurring maintenance and non-recurring maintenance. Recurring maintenance refers to maintenance which had faults. Example of such maintenance work include refix of tile works, change of lighting such as light bulb, and cracks on concrete flooring. Recurring maintenance are also uncontrolled faults that may recur. For non-recurring maintenance, it refers to maintenance that only happen once and do not have to redo failure often. Example of such maintenance include troubleshooting and water leaks in pipeline. In conclusion, maintenance work are important to keep the building environmentally friendly for everyone living in the building. It also prevents major issues from arising, which can cause harm and inconvenience to the resident. So this is our end of our presentation. Thank you.